Welcome to the quick tutorial of pviapins.com. pviapins is a platform where you can buy or rent any country's phone number for verify any app. First we have to go pviapins.com and click the sign up button. If you have already an account, then simply log in your account, if not just register new account button. Fill the box with proper information and tap the create account button. After sign up successfully, we will see the interface like this. For purchase or rent any number, we have to recharge this account. The process is very easy, just hover on top up option and select recharge your account. All available payment methods are shown here based on country. Select any of them and made a successful recharge. After a successful payment, the amount will add our account and will be shown here. Now we are ready to purchase number here. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of opening a Telegram account with a virtual Brazilian phone number using pviapins. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer or mobile device. Once the app is open, you'll be prompted to choose a country. Select Brazil from the list of available options. To create a Telegram account, a valid phone number is required. Here's where pviapins comes in. Open pviapins and search for Brazil in the country list. Type Telegram in the search box to filter available numbers. Select one from the list of Brazil available numbers. A phone number will be shown here. Once you've got a number, copy it and return to the Telegram registration page and paste the number into the required field. After pasting the number, click on the next button to proceed. An OTP will be sent to the number you just entered. The code will be displayed on the pviapins dashboard. Copy the OTP and paste it into the verification field. Once you enter the correct OTP, your account will be successfully verified and ready to use. pviapins makes the entire process seamless and efficient, providing you with a virtual Brazilian phone number in just a few easy steps. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips.